Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all helps us keep making these videos every day. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 242. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8. No help here, 6, 8, 9, 6 here, so 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 7, 8, same here, 7, 8. And that means that our 3 for that box has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 6. 4 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 4, 6. That means that our 1 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help, so 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6, and that means the only place the 6 can be in this box is here. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. Oh, and the 7 makes this our 8, 7. So for this column now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so that makes us our 8, 9, 8. To finish off this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.